everyone, today I'm here to introduce the Vitamix V1200. Now, the great thing about this product is it does hot soups and it does cold drinks and cold beverages. So today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a smoothie in the new Vitamix. And also an interesting thing about this new model is that you can go online and access it, and you have an app and you can actually tell it how long to go on, and that will help when you're making your soup because you can program it. Now, I chose the red Vitamix just because I liked it, but it is available in different colors. You can get silver, gray, red, black, whatever color you would like, and it comes with a free recipe book, which has some great recipes in here, and you know, it really varies in all different things. You can make smoothies to soups to ice cream, frozen yogurt, carrot cake. It is a really, really neat appliance to have. So I'm just going to show you a little bit about this today. So this is the cover, which seals on very tightly on the top. It has a nice little hole where you can stick the tools in as you are actually blending. I'm going to make a very simple one for you right now. And before I do that, let's go over this. So this part has a timer on it. So you can move the up and down. This would be seconds. And over here are minutes. Then you have different speeds. It goes from 1 all the way to 9. So 1 would be more like your chopping speed. And I'll show you something with that in another one of my videos. If you watch me make salsa or a soup, then you will see how I would use the chopping, but then also use other speeds. And then this is so you can do it by hand, and this side is timed. So right now I'm going to show you just a very simple recipe. I am going to put bananas, fresh banana. I'm going to cheat a little bit here and use some frozen strawberries, just because the strawberries at the store did not look as nicely as I would like. The nice thing about this is even though they're frozen, it doesn't matter. And I'm going to stick a little bit of kale in there just to, you know, give it that extra nutrients, especially for small children or, you know, adults who would like to get some extra vitamin C and calcium and things in there. All right. So I'm going to start off with a 10. I forgot to add a little bit of juice to it to give it some consistency, because I do have some frozen strawberries, which makes it a little bit tougher. Alright, so I'm now going to put it to 10, and I'm just going to manually do it. You think there's something stuck under the blade, you could use this nifty tool, and it goes up under the blades and it would clean out anything frozen or anything stuck in the blades. Or this one goes right inside and you can push down if you're using a whole tomato or a whole orange or something and you need to push it down. Here in this situation I don't really need to. It's looking pretty good. I am going to add a few more strawberries to this, just for the consistency. I'm going to show you how the timer goes now. I'm going to put it on a timer, have it go for just maybe 20 seconds. And we'll see where we're at. And push this. just 20 seconds. I'm just going to take a look at it. I'm going to see if everything, so you can see there are still a few frozen strawberries in there, so I'm going to put it back on for a little bit longer, keeping it on 10. Maybe now going to 30 seconds. Stop it a little bit early because it's looking to me like it might be ready. Grab a spoon real quick. Yes, I think it is ready. So I'll show you the consistency as I pour it out. As you can see here, you cannot tell that I put any kale in there, which is awesome when you have children. Ooh, I do see a little bit of lump there, so I could have made it go just a little bit longer, possibly, but a great consistency for a smoothie. And that's it. And now here is the best part of the Vitamix. So all you do to clean it, now here you can see it's dirty. And the cover's dirty. So I put the hot water on. I put some hot water into my Vitamix. I put the Vitamix back on the machine. Put the top on. Hold the top down. Maybe put it at like a 7. Now I'm noticing it needs to go higher up the water, so put it at 10. And that is it. Your Vitamix is clean. That was one of the big features of buying one of these, is that all you have to do is rinse water through it, and you've got a clean machine. Now you might have to run it twice, but this is looking pretty good. And then you're ready for another smoothie. I hope you enjoyed watching the video, and if you're interested, I'm going to have some made for soup and salsa and different things that you can make with the Vitamix 1500.